Well, hold on to your hats, because this video is all about Wealthsimple, a popular platform that's making waves for its user-friendly approach to investing. But before we dive into the exciting world of stock picking responsibly, of course, let's address the elephant in the room. How much does it actually cost to trade on Wealthsimple? Because let's face it, fees can be a deal breaker. You don't want hidden charges eating away at your potential profits. So, here's the good news. Wealthsimple shines when it comes to trading commissions. They boast commission-free stock and ETF trades, which means you buy and sell without any per-trade fees. That's a win right off the bat. But wait, isn't there always a catch? Well, in this case, it's not exactly a catch, but there are a few things to keep in mind. The first is currency conversion. If you're a Canadian investor with your sights set on US stocks, you'll encounter a 1.5% fee when converting your Canadian dollars, CAD, to US dollars, USD, and vice versa. This applies to each trade you make with US securities. Now, here's where things get interesting. Wealthsimple offers different account tiers, and some can help you avoid that conversion fee. Their premium plans, Wealthsimple Plus and Generation, come with USD accounts. This means you can hold US dollars directly, eliminating the conversion fee on your US stock and ETF trades. Of course, these plans come with a monthly subscription fee, so it's important to weigh the benefits against your trading activity. Another cost to consider is the foreign exchange fee that applies when you want to withdraw your USD holdings back to CAD. So, while you might avoid the conversion fee on trades with a USD account, there's still a cost associated with moving your money back and forth. Now, let's address some other potential fees. There's a 2.5% fee for instant cash withdrawals, but standard withdrawals take 1 to 3 business days and are free. If you're interested in earning extra income, Wealthsimple offers a stock lending program. Essentially, you loan out your shares to other investors and get a cut of the profits. This doesn't come with any additional fees, but it's important to understand the potential risks involved before participating. Finally, if you're looking for a more hands-off approach to investing, Wealthsimple offers managed investment accounts. These come with an annual fee based on the amount of money you have invested. So, to summarize, Wealthsimple offers commission-free stock and ETF trades, but there are some additional fees to consider, like currency conversion, account tier subscriptions, withdrawal fees, and managed investment fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.